Eczema is a skin condition caused by a weakened immune system. The symptoms are redness, inflammation, and white scaly patches of skin that can occur anywhere on the body. There is no cure for eczema, nor is it contagious. You cannot catch eczema from another person. The symptoms, however, can be contained with the proper treatment. Here are some important points about eczema and how to deal with the symptoms naturally, effectively, and long-term. Eczema flare-ups are caused by a vicious itch-scratch cycle. Stop the itch and you can break the cycle. Itches are usually brought on by certain triggers. These triggers can be environmental, emotional, or both. There is a direct tie between emotions and skin. That is why it is important to get at the root of negative feelings, such as anxiety, depression, or repressed anger. This isn't always easy, and a trained therapist can be of invaluable help. Stress is debilitating for all of us, yet it is close to unavoidable. Stress is a part of life, but it can be much harder on those suffering from eczema for the simple reason that it will inevitably trigger a skin rash. It's important to understand exactly what triggers your stress. Then you need to find ways of calming the stress factor. Exercise, yoga, meditation are all proven ways to release negative feelings and embrace more positive emotions. They have been proven beneficial to eczema sufferers by calming both the brain and the skin. They have the added benefit of improving your overall quality of life on a daily basis. While dermatologists usually treat eczema with a steroid-based ointment, there are so many other, perhaps even more effective ingredients you can use on your skin. You probably have many of them in your home, so try the suggestions in this video on your rash. Special moisturizers and baths can perform wonders on your dry skin and tone down the itching, which will result in less scratching and inflammation. Special moisturizers and baths can perform wonders on your dry skin and tone down the itching, which will result in less scratching and inflammation. Eczema is all about dry, itchy skin, and proper hydration, inside and out, is essential. Creams can help keep your skin moist. Water, and lots of it, will help hydrate the entire body. Consider water your anti-eczema trump card. While you are checking your home for a few special ingredients, check every day for possible allergens. Rugs, bedding, pests, dust, and dry air play havoc with your system as they easily trigger allergies. Dust mites and pests can hide anywhere, and frequently do. In some cases, this can mean doing an overhaul of major offenders, such as replacing rugs with easy-to-clean hardwood floors and wallpaper with paint. It may take some effort, but your skin will notice the difference. At the same time, you can make your garden close to allergen-free by keeping your grass low and planting non-pollinating plants. These changes will eliminate many allergy triggers from your home, and you will be able to enjoy your garden without fear. Parents with children face a special problem. They need to attend to their child's needs while living with constant stress. This can affect their relationship. These parents need to deal with both their child and their own quality of life. Even if these parents do not suffer from eczema, their situation will be greatly helped if they practice some or all of the anti-stress suggestions in this video. Their stress is real. It's good news that the majority of children with eczema will outgrow their symptoms as they age. In the interim, they need to learn how to handle their flare-ups as best they can. Eczema is stressful and irritating, especially since there is no cure, nor is there one specific cause. Many factors can work together in creating the skin disorder. That is why every part of your life, from your emotions, stressors, and home, need to be examined thoroughly and regularly. These elements work in unison. This can necessitate a few major lifestyle changes. It is important that you handle this one day at a time. Everyone is different, so handle your eczema-free journey at your own pace. The last thing a person with eczema needs is additional stress. Discuss specific difficulties with your dermatologist for the best and quickest results. Be assured, however, that the suggestions for natural elimination of eczema symptoms will eventually work, and the effort will be worth your while, since it entails a significant improvement in your overall lifestyle. Less stress, more exercise, and a healthier body without an irritating rash await you at the end. Eczema can disrupt and control your entire life in so many ways. This is the chance for you to take control and enjoy everything life has to offer. Imagine your life without rashes inflammation, and cracking unsightly skin. Then go and make it happen.